मैंने उसे माफ कर दिया। I forgave him. I forgave him. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस वी हैव, वह अब पहले जैसा नहीं रहा। He is not the same anymore. He is not the same anymore. हमें एक साथ काम करना होगा। We will have to work together. We will have to work together. क्या आप मुझे रास्ता दिखा सकते हैं? Can you show me the way? Can you show me the way? मुझे कल की बात याद है। I remember yesterday's matter. I remember yesterday's matter. वह धीरे धीरे बदल रहा है। He is changing slowly. He is changing slowly. मैंने तुम्हारे लिए इंतजाम किया है। I have arranged it for you. I have arranged it for you. क्या तुम उसे पसंद करते हो? Do you like him? Do you like him? वह हमेशा शिकायत करता है। He always complains. He always complains. मुझे इस पर गौर करना होगा। I need to pay attention to this. I need to pay attention to this. हम बाद में बात करेंगे। We will talk later. We will talk later. Next sentence we have, मैंने यह अपने लिए किया। I did this for myself. I did this for myself. वह मेरी हर बात मानता है। He agrees with everything I say. He agrees with everything I say. क्या तुम मुझसे डरते हो? Are you afraid of me? Are you afraid of me? मुझे यह निर्णय लेना ही होगा। I must take this decision. I must take this decision. Next sentence we have, वह बिना बताए चला गया। He left without informing. He left without informing. क्या आपने उसे देखा था? Did you see him? Did you see him? अब समय बर्बाद मत करो। Don't waste time now. Don't waste time now. मुझे थोड़ा आराम चाहिए। I need some rest. I need some rest. तुमने मुझे बहुत प्रेरित किया। You inspired me a lot. You inspired me a lot. वह बहुत जिम्मेदार व्यक्ति है। He is a very responsible person. He is a very responsible person. क्या आप मेरी सहायता कर सकते हैं? Can you assist me? Can you assist me? मुझे कोई शिकायत नहीं है। I have no complaints. I have no complaints. वह हमेशा मेरी मदद करता है। He always helps me. He always helps me. क्या आप मेरे साथ चलना चाहेंगे? Would you like to come with me? Would you like to come with me? उसने मुझसे कभी झूठ नहीं बोला। He never lied to me. He never lied to me. वह सो रहा है। He is sleeping. He is sleeping. Next, मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ। I go to school. I go to school. यह मेरी किताब है। This is my book. This is my book. दरवाजा बंद करो। Close the door. Close the door. मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ। I am eating food. I am eating food. बारिश हो रही है। It is raining. It is raining. मुझे थोड़ी देर में आना है. I have to come in a little while. I have to come in a little while. क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे? Will you help me? Will you help me? वह बहुत तेज दौड़ता है. He runs very fast. He runs very fast. मुझे यह फिल्म पसंद आई. I liked this movie. I liked this movie. क्या आपने खाना खा लिया? Did you eat the food? Did you eat the food? वह ऑफिस जा चुकी है. She has gone to the office. She has gone to the office. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? चलो कुछ नया सीखते हैं. Let's learn something new. Let's learn something new. Next sentence. मुझे अभी बात नहीं करनी है. I don't want to talk right now. I don't want to talk right now. यह काम आसान नहीं है. This work is not easy. This work is not easy. मुझे इंग्लिश बोलने में डर लगता है. I feel scared to speak English. I feel scared to speak English. उसने मुझे कुछ नहीं बताया. He didn't tell me anything. He didn't tell me anything. हमें समय पर पहुंचना चाहिए. We should reach on time. We should reach on time. वह बहुत मेहनती छात्र है. He is a very hard-working student. He is a very hard-working student. मुझे आपकी राय चाहिए. I need your opinion. I need your opinion. मुझे यह जवाब नहीं पता. I don't know this answer. I don't know this answer. बारिश होने वाली है. It's going to rain. It's going to rain. तुम बहुत देर से आए. You came very late. You came very late. मुझे माफ कर दो. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. क्या तुम उससे जानते हो? Do you know him? Do you know him? वह मुझसे नाराज है. He is angry with me. He is angry with me. यह बहुत जरूरी बात है. This is a very important matter. This is a very important matter. मैं तुम्हें बहुत याद करता हूँ. I miss you a lot. I miss you a lot. मेरा मन नहीं लग रहा. I am not feeling good. I am not feeling good. वह हमेशा मेरी मदद करता है. He always helps me. He always helps me. मुझे जाने की इजाजत दो. Allow me to go. Allow me to go. क्या यह तुम्हारा है? Is this yours? Is this yours? वह कल आएगा. He will come tomorrow. He will come tomorrow. यह काम किसने किया? Who did this work? Who did this work? मैं हर दिन अभ्यास करता हूँ. I practice every day. I practice every day. वह बहुत समझदार लड़की है. She is a very smart girl. She is a very smart girl. मुझे अब चलना चाहिए। I should leave now. I should leave now. उसने बहुत अच्छा जवाब दिया। He gave a very good answer. He gave a very good answer. तुम्हारा दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? वह अकेला नहीं जाना चाहता। He doesn't want to go alone. He doesn't want to go alone. मैं अभी बहुत व्यस्त हूँ। I am very busy right now. I am very busy right now. मुझे कुछ समय चाहिए। I need some time. I need some time. Next sentence we have तुम हमेशा सही होते हो। You are always right. You are always right. मैं सुबह जल्दी उठता हूँ। I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. क्या तुम सच बोल रहे हो? Are you telling the truth? Are you telling the truth? वह कभी झूठ नहीं बोलता। He never tells a lie. He never tells a lie. यह जगह बहुत सुंदर है। This place is very beautiful. This place is very beautiful. हम फिर मिलेंगे। We will meet again. We will meet again. मुझे थोड़ा आराम चाहिए। I need a little rest. I need a little rest. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो। You are very nice. You are very nice. मुझे यह काम पसंद है। I like this work. I like this work. क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share for more videos. Thank you.